Imagine leaving your bike outside after a rainstorm, only to find it covered in reddish-brown patches of rust, and your once smooth wheels now grinding to a halt. Why does this happen? Well, it's all about chemistry. Steel, a common material in bikes and many everyday objects, contains iron, which reacts with oxygen in the presence of water, so this forms rust. But not all rains are created equal. In this science fair project, we will be showing the impact of pH levels on the rate of corrosion. From the gentle touch of normal rainwater to the acidic punch of acid rain, we explore how these different environments affect the rusting process. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind rust formation and its implications for our everyday lives. To undergo this experiment, a list of materials were needed, which include dissolvable gloves, test tube, rubber stopper, thermometer, steel wool, scissors, ruler, lemon juice or vinegar juice and small bowls, thin kitchen towel, a tall plastic cup, and a lab notebook and a graph paper, as shown below in this photo.
At the beginning, you must cut 9 pieces of the steel wool. Then we made the following table. Our first acid was black coffee, and we proceeded by putting the steel wool into it and waiting for 30 seconds until it completely soaked up. Following the black coffee, we had vinegar and distilled water. Both of them had the steel wool soaked in them for about 30 seconds. Yes, it was weird soaking them, but we had no other choice. Our grades were at line. One of the crucial materials was the thermometer. This is how it should be wrapped in a towel and put in a plastic cup. The following result belongs to the black coffee. As you can tell, trial 1 is completely different than trial 2 and 3. It's less in degrees. As shown in the following table, the results of the second acid, which is vinegar, is a bit similar to the coffee, but at the same time has differences. You can tell that the average is decreasing by 2 most of the time. Finally, regarding the distilled water, the temperature pretty much doesn't increase and decreases by 1. Thank you for watching. We begin with the dependent variable. The amount of rust formed on the steel wool is our dependent variable. According to the results, all of our steel wool has some rust on it because of its acid. Our independent variables are the type of liquid used. We begin with vinegar, then coffee, and then acidic water. Here are our control variables. The amount of steel wool, including the temperature, pH levels, and the container used, and especially the type and quality of the steel wool. Everything should be the same. The temperature should either rise or decrease, and the amount of steel wool should be the exact same. This first graph belongs to the coffee, the following one belongs to the vinegar, and the last one belongs to the distilled water. Thank you again.